analyzing the code, collaborating with the team, what the experience the user wants. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss about different types of roles in the IT sector. The top roles in the IT sector which is going to pay you high in the future. 1. Software engineer. Basically, the software engineer is used to manage the software development database, all the different things related to the backend work. The software engineering is one of the particular field where most of the companies, the thing you see most in the society is someone is getting 30 lakhs LPA, someone is getting 50 lakhs LPA, someone is getting some other big LPA. The software engineering developer leads to have two words. Software is what we have, software engineer developer. Software. The software is integrated codes between the front end and back end. It combines of both. It's called software engineering. Engineer part in engineering is the one who is going to organize and who is going to pass the instructions to all the things where the software and engineering going to come. By developing both the software and engineering part, will become a software engineering developer. In some other companies, they may call it software developer engineering, and you're going to see someone is working as a SDE in Microsoft, someone is working as SDE in Google. The SDE depends upon the software developer engineer. Cloud architect. Cloud architect is one of the major role in IT companies. What are the data of the users? For suppose we have taken an example of Zomato or Swiggy. What is the app? We're going to order some food, and in the cases it may be. After we go back to the orders, and after 6 months, what are the orders we ordered before, it's going to store in our app on our account, and your total data will be collected into the database, and that database is mainly updated by the cloud architect. The cloud architect, some of the users we can have use platforms like AWS, Google Cloud Platform, Microsoft Azure, and a lot of different platforms where we can learn this, like data analyst, the data scientist, and different roles which will depend on the cloud architect, because the data they're going to provide will be only in the form of one of the major jobs. Backend developer. Now, backend developer mainly focuses on the data structures, algorithms, the backend part. And suppose we have many languages like Java, C++, and many things. And the front end developer. The front end developer uses the UI, UX, user interface, user experience. You're going to take care of those things. AI and ML engineer. AI, artificial intelligence, and machine learning is one of the trending topic which is in demand right now. The artificial intelligence is gonna rule future, definitely, but not 100%. Learn AI. The people who learn AI to fasten their works will stay in the IT sector or in any corporate field. The people who gonna do daily coding, they will not use AI tools, and they're gonna definitely lay off from the company within the next 2-3 years they join. IT is moving towards artificial intelligence. AI ML is gonna be one of the best career for you for paying. Those MLs is gonna pay you very much high. Android developer. Android developer is one of the key role where you're going to have high demand. Recently, I've been watching out internships where I found that 2-3 websites. The most of the internships related to IT sector is what in Android development. Many of the startups need to build apps. We have Flutter, Java, Kotlin, and many more things where we can develop apps. The Google is providing free Flutter development course. I have been watching out internships on Flutter development. They have been paying even you 60 to 80,000 per month. The internship may be around 2 to 3 months, and the 3 months creates nearly 2,40,000 you're gonna pay for just 3 months. An average software engineer earns 50 to 60,000. You're earning 60 to 80,000. So Android development, iOS, Flutter, mobile development, this is gonna have very huge role in future. See, you may think that AI occupy all these jobs. No, AI is just an assistant. It cannot replace. In the early 2000s, the program has been introduced to the world, and everyone thought that jobs will not be occupied by the programming. The jobs will be over, and it came in, and there will be no jobs. See, AI can't replace any job. Suppose let's take a full stack developer. In full stack developer, next we have full stack developer. The full stack developer is gonna look after all the things, front end, back end, database, APIs, and all other etc. things. And this full stack developer is gonna have high paying now and in future. In any case, they're gonna have high pay. What they need to upgrade is to AI tools to fasten their work, to better their work, to improve their work. And that's what the simple trick that's gonna play a crucial role in the future. If you want to become full stack developer, you're going to learn one stack and all of the good stacks. What you need to do is you need to inbuilt AI into it. What you need to do with AI, you need to reduce the time. You need to be more productivity in the work, and that's what AI will do. AI cannot replace your work. Total work done by a main stack developer is 100%, let's say, and the coding part is just only to 30 to 40%. The remaining 60% is understanding the code, analyzing the code, experience the user wants, what is the thing. Everything given with the prompt cannot be done at any cost. Suppose in some cases we're gonna think something, but we cannot express in words. AI can use. Some of the user experience cannot be expressed by words, by any prompt, and that's what then where what we need, who can develop according to the user experience. They're gonna make things easier and much better, but cannot occupy your whole work. It's gonna be an assistant manager or a manager for your work. Don't be releasing something bullshit what they are saying. They're gonna replace your jobs. There are plenty of jobs outside the world. Whatever field you go, whatever things you do, there are a lot of believe in yourself. Learn the skill, do the projects, apply. You're gonna get your dream job, you're gonna land in your dream job. And next we have cybersecurity. The cybersecurity field is somewhat vast. Many of the startups need cybersecurity people. See, in many of the startups I've been seeing, they're gonna get front end, they're gonna get back end, they're gonna get AI ML engineering, all the things. But they cannot give the security to the apps and websites. And that's what cybersecurity is gonna do to you. Cybersecurity, nowadays cyber attacks has been increasing. Anywhere in the government or in private sector, anywhere in the IT sector, the cybersecurity is gonna play a crucial role. AI has been introduced in the world, the deepfake, other technologies are gonna black the security fellows gonna help them, and this is gonna be a better career option according to my view. Have data analyst, the data. This is all related to the data. They're gonna and in the database under your mobile number, your list has been productive. The list of the items you have been purchased will be stored in the database under your mobile number. And this data analyst or database gonna research it. They're gonna take your 5 months bills and they're gonna see which product you're gonna purchase more times and which quantity you're gonna purchase more times. What company makes you happy, which is the product you've been continuously buying, and that's what they're gonna look. And they're gonna send you offers according to it, and they're gonna come again. They make you to come.